Light your fire, and let's get into it. Going in with the pissed off barber trimmer, making my very first guideline. And more times than not, at the bottom of my low taper, I'm always going to set that line as an either triangle or some form of arch shape so that I can create that burst effect. Moving in with the pissed off barber clipper, lever all the way open, no guard, making our second guideline, going up an inch. Followed by some lever play, moving the guard halfway closed, debulking the situation. Flicking our lever fully closed, tapping out that bottom guideline. Pulling out my slime guard attachment, one guard, lever fully closed, going up half an inch. Had to stop the surgery real quick, go grab my black ice attachment and pin the hair back. Flip hand action, lever fully closed with the one guard, debulking the situation at the top of the blend. And like always, Kash family, it's a Gilly beat production on the instrumental. Now I'm using my one guard, lever fully open, and I'm gonna follow that up to clear out the bulk again, debulking the situation with the 1.5 guard, lever halfway to fully close. Watch me work. And like the sensei, your beam say, brush one, fade one. Brush one, fade one. You will lock in and receive the desired results. And remember, Kash family, we playing a long game when it comes to these cuts. We want to always ensure the desired result. We're going to take our time. With that being said, I'm going to go back in with my 0 guard, lever fully closed, taking out my final guideline. Kash family, pay attention to how I'm using the corner of the clipper to do the dirty work. You're going to see me go in, no guard. I'm going to be using the corner of the clipper, freaking the blade every which way. Freaking that lever, every which way, like MJ. But it's because I'm staying consistent and I'm staying cautious. I'm using that corner to knock out any opposition. And as above, so below. Throughout this haircut and throughout many of my tutorials, you're gonna see me go in and do the same exact steps that I did to the fade or to the taper. I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the beards or the chin straps. Even somebody's sideburns, when they want their sideburns faded, I'm gonna do the work. It's gonna get nasty. Operation. I bet Unc came in, had to bar home real quick, so I took this time to put myself in the camera again, show y'all who I am, put a face to the cuts, you feel me? That's Kash, that's the teeth, that's the grill. I was just rocking out until bro came back, vibing, you know. I bet here we go, heading around to the pad. About to set in our first guideline with our pissed off barber trimmer. Fuck you talking about? And as you guys watch me set this first guideline, always remember, like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to drop your ideas in the comments. I'm trying to grow too. And here I am showing you these hitters again. Ooh, no slime green boys, the pissed off barber. Them shits look like money to me. Look like cash to me. Fuck you talking about? Like I said, it's coming together. And that was the lever, no guard, fully open. Now I'm gonna follow that with the lever, halfway closed, debulking the situation. Lock in, pay close attention. I went to lever fully closed now, debulking that last guideline. I'm gonna go in and out, brush one, fade one, staying consistent till I get what I need to get. And again, you gotta love the slime green attachments going in with that one guard, lever fully closed, coming from half an inch to an inch, securing our second guideline so we can continue to add cash on this blend. flicking that lever open, moving in, debulking the situation. Another thing to take note of, Kash family, if you're cutting someone's hair, always be aware of the roots of their braids, their plaits, their twists, their locks. We just want to be very cautious. Go as close as you can without taking out the hair at the roots. Back in action with our 1.5 slime green attachment, debulking the situation. Stepping down 2 attachments, coming in with our 0 guard, lever fully closed, phasing out that last guideline. Moving in to the second half of this cut, we're gonna rinse, wash, repeat, apply the same steps, continue applying pressure, cashing them out. Peep the blend, everything is coming together on this neck taper. Also, let me know what you guys think about the features and the tutorials. I'm a help one kind of person. These people are helping me with music. I'm helping them with pushing it out. We one big family full of dream chasers, and we getting it. 2446 Wesley Chapel Drive, Decatur, Georgia, 30035. Atlanta area barber, Brown's Barbershop, Brown's Barber Lounge. Come find Kash. I got you. Corner of the blade is all you need. Brush one, fade one. Use the corner of that blade and you shall succeed. Up next, we have the featured song of the day, Trado 2 Times, No Hook Freestyle. Let's get into it and lock in. The steps the same. Let's rock out. Prep the canvas and let's get into it. And don't forget to light that fire.
That drinking, no sipping, no money, can't fuck on that hole. She came with a buddy, I was down on my dick, now I'm up all of a sudden. I pressed all out and shit like on my brother. I'm fresh like detergent, I'm smooth like a brick. Put your start up the whip, it ain't come with no keys. She say I'm a dog, eat that dick like a free. It's something that's stuck, it ain't copping no free. Coughing no syrup, this shit cold my liver. Damn me dancing like a zombie, no thriller. Get knocked on my pivot, stand front like a pillar. They took my little nigga, it's so with a killer. Just do what you do me, fuck all that talking. Niggas be hating, they know that I'm ballin'. Pull up with the gang and you know that we mobbing. Took care out the bank, just do a little shopping. Throw dirt on my name, cause they know that I'm poppin'. Hey, hold on, tell them fuck niggas stop it. Two on my hip, tryna give him a hooray. These niggas cat, I can see it like Blu-ray. Open the mail, gon' knock off his toothpaste. Fuck all that beef, we gon' cook it like souffle. Throw out the gang, no, I'm reppin' my turf. Papa Zenny, watch me going berserk. Put it the money and drop out the work. I'm pouring the daily, I'm sick of it hurt. Paper chasing, tryna give me some money. Beat it the bitty, I'm smoking on onion. These niggas talk like fun youngs. Told no sticks, they ain't coming no one time. I whoop a brick of Balenci. Drop out the work and I told her come get me. These niggas slow on 10 speed. Pin the hoe up and I blow out her knee. She get kicked out the trap tryna smoke on my weed. Yeah, ayy. I got a screech in the headlock, no. I got a screech in the full nails. I'm never alone cause I walk with my weapon. Call up my brothers, you know that they step. Sippin' on I got a murk for a couple of pesos. Killers on go when I say so. We gon' stomp in their head till it look like Play-Doh. When I talk to the plug, I be speaking in tongue. Fire that gap, put it straight in your lung. Don't want no blue hunters, get it back in the 50s. I showed her a jigger, she popped out her titties. It's off with her head if I think he ain't with me. Run off with no plug if I think that it's shit. Slow up the beat, then the fed, they be listening. Collecting information, think they gon' get me. Fell in love with my Glock and she really ain't friendly. Gotta watch on my polish, think they tryna end me. Keep my foot on these neck cause these niggas don't like me. Ayy, just steppin', ain't no like. Long rod, it's all done on my whites. Hammer like throw it, be shooting out lightning. Hormones, they don't like me. Kicking the doors, call me swiping no sniper. You know I'm a Libra, can't fucking no pies. You know I'm not slimy, so no, you can't wipe. I pray to the Lord, but I think he don't like me.
Yes, sir. Trado 2 Times, No Hook Freestyle. Another video, another banger, another shout out. As you see, like I said, repeat the same steps. Keep the motion consistent. Use the corner of that blade Brush one, fade one, and everything gonna come together. Kash family, don't forget to like and subscribe and share the content. Help me grow.
Gilly made the beat so it's some heat, boy.
Using our 1.5 green slime attachment to go in and take out any stragglers that may have hid from the first debulking situation. Coming in hot with our wall cordless detailer, Tramisha, and you know she gonna cut up anytime she step outside. Here we are, using Tramisha, working up around that ear, staying on all the corners. As I've mentioned before in previous videos, once I put that line on both sides of that neck taper with Tramisha, that's when I become Michelangelo. It gives me real sunrise vibes. I'm telling you, check it out. Use the corners. Use the corners. Use the corners. Debulking the situation with that big body slime so we could go in with Tramisha and start setting these lines for this crispy, clean, Kash lineup. Working my way from the middle to the corner down to the vertical bars. Every so often, I'm turning him back center mass, ensuring that I'm keeping everything nice and even. Corner swipe motion and tapping everything real light with the motion on the beard, because we're gonna go back in with our sword.
Gilly made the beat so it's some heat, boy.
Again, we're going side by side, and you know you gotta be ready to ride, starting from the center, going to the corner, working our way to the vertical bars. Again, same motion, same strokes.
Gilly made the beat so it's some heat, boy.
And the client is starting to thin just a tad bit in their corner, so I tried not to go up too much in depth with the lining. Slowly but surely, watch this thing come together. Check out the swoops, check out the swipes. Here I am, readjusting the canvas so we can head back in and do some stash work. Yes, back with the sword, the Wu-Tang swordsman, Shaolin monk style. Back with that blade, doing the dirty work, letting my sword for me. Keeping it at a 45-degree angle, making sure I'm being gentle, making sure I'm being cautious. We don't want to cut or nick the client. These things are sharp and they're gonna apply pressure. It's like that katana sword. Wu-Tang, baby. Place that sword on it and everything starts to come together. As you can see, everything is lining up very well. The blends are starting to hit even more. The lineup is popping. We get into it. Here we go, Tramisha getting up under that neck. This part almost like ASMR to me, and I don't even watch it. Lock in on how that chin strap coming to life, how the blend to the taper is starting to become one. I had to switch back to my green slime trimmers because to me personally, they're way more friendlier around that lip and that chin area because Tramisha be cutting up, no doubt. And Kash family, I hope you guys are rocking with the new setup. I'm pretty much just trying to figure out how we gonna rock so we can steady rock. You feel me? Going from the tripod back to the chest, and then here I am going in with my green slime electric razor, doing the work, cashing them out. Again, the electric shaver is a must. Use it on every client that you can, that skin will allow it. It allows the cut to last much longer. Now look at this neck taper. Sunrise, easy like a Sunday morning. Next, we're gonna step back, inspect, make sure we straight, and head in with our Tint Nation, darkest brown, color enhancement. The key is to lightly apply the applicator. There have been times in the past where I have went in a little too heavy because I was too confident in the brushwork, but sometimes just enough is just right. Now that I have applied my enhancement, I'm gonna go back in with my wall cordless detailer, Tramisha, and do the dirty work and continue to cash them out. Yes, sir. As you can see, we cashing them out. This thing is coming together. Let's get it. And Mr. Braxton Hartnebrig here, he's clearly a primitive species. Cause I spice balled him and he didn't even move. He wasn't even fazed by it, not one bit. He sat through it like he's been here a million times before. Maybe he has. He's also a barber. Kash family, this is the cut. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Gilly made the beat with some heat, boy.